today's video where we're looking at Asda Pick and Mix Cup. An assortment of fruity and cola flavoured jellies, sweets, marshmallows and flying saucers. So it's 160 grams of sweets, and yeah, these are available from Asda, so let's have a look and see what we get. So we've got fluffy marshmallow frog flavours, and so raspberry frog flavour raspberry. Yeah, I think it's raspberry flavour, or is it vanilla raspberry, something like that. Anyway, it's pinky. Again, more of the same, flying discs. So let's have a look what's inside these. So it's some kind of sherbet. I wonder if it's real sherbet or just chemicals, probably chemicals. So let's try. Oh, that's horrible. So it's still rice paper. And I'm not sure what kind of sherbet that is inside, but it wasn't sherbet. It tastes like some kind of nasty chemicals. So I see them pink flying discs. More of these, more of these. More of those, more. So we've got cherry, chewy, cola bottles, hot flavour chewies, more foam. Yeah, so I have a selection of things there. Let's try a cola bottle and see what it tastes like. It doesn't taste very cola-y. Tastes a bit like tastes fruity. Let's try again. Yep, that tastes fruity. That doesn't taste like cola. So what would I give this? I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Apart from the flying discs, I don't like them. And if you enjoyed that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.